Have you ever been stuck trying to figure out the return type of resolve and reject functions in a promise? It can be quite confusing, especially when TypeScript and TSLint start throwing errors at you. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we are going to clarify this issue. I totally understand your frustration. Many developers face this issue when working with TypeScript, especially when trying to adhere to strict typing rules. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "What is the return type of the resolve and reject functions of a promise I am creating with TypeScript?" They want to ensure that TSLint does not complain about their typedef rules. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what exactly is the issue here? The resolve and reject functions are crucial for controlling the fate of a promise, but without proper typing, TSLint can raise errors. Understanding how to type these functions correctly is key to avoiding those pesky warnings. And don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the correct return types, but also how to implement them without any TSLint complaints. To address the user's issue with TypeScript and TSLint, we need to define the types for the resolve and reject functions in the promise. This will help eliminate the TSLint complaints about missing type definitions. Next, the user should ensure that the resolve function can accept a value of type number, and the reject function can handle any error type. This is crucial for proper type checking. Now, let's update the then method to specify the type of the result. This will help TSLint understand what type to expect when the promise resolves. Finally, the user should run TSLint again to verify that there are no more complaints about the types. This ensures that the code adheres to the defined type rules. Fun fact: did you know that JavaScript promises were introduced in ECMAScript 2015? They were designed to help manage asynchronous operations more effectively. And now, with TypeScript, we can add even more structure to our code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user provides a straightforward way to test the return types of the resolve and reject functions in a promise. They demonstrate that calling these functions results in undefined. Here's a pro tip. Always define your function types when working with promises in TypeScript. This not only helps with TSLint, but also makes your code more readable and maintainable. And there you have it. You should now have a clear understanding of the return types for resolve and reject functions in a promise. Remember, proper typing is essential for clean code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.